Hello everyone. So last time we successfully run the engine for a few seconds to test a lot of things. One of the very unfortunate thing that I noticed is this: there's no water vapor or any water coming out from the exhaust hole here. So, well, the impeller is not good, right? So I already look online, and there is some new old part available. And but before I actually go on to order it, I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this down and actually take a look at the impeller to see if that have any problem or not. So to open this lower unit in here, there's only two screws that I know. First one is here. You have to loosen this, and then the other one, there's a clip here. After you remove the clip, there should be a bolt there. I think I need to be careful. I don't want this whole thing to drop off. Okay, that's the washer. Alright. That's the whole. Okay, so that's the little unit. It looks like this is not going to be an easy way to align everything back. We'll worry about that a little bit later. Let's see. I know this is the water pump housing in here. It's held on by two nuts in here. So, well, let's set this up, and I can't do it in here. Let's put it down somewhere. Let's do that. Okay, let's take a look at this. It's a bit tight, kind of tight. Well, hey, you know, look at the impeller. What do you think? Let's take a look what's inside. Okay, so that is kind of odd. Is that supposed to be like that? So the water supposed to come up there? Yeah. If it bended on the side, it doesn't really feel like it was aligned to the impeller actually. Interesting. So this is the housing. That's the main axle that's gonna go in all the way. So if you go and like that, it will match. Huh. Yeah, it's supposed to go like that, right? Interesting. I want to take it off. Well, just take it out. I noticed this wall line was actually very much pushed against the side. You see how it bounces off? if this is not connected. I wonder if that's the reason. I'm just gonna put the whole assembly back. Things seems to be okay. Okay, I'm ready to put this back in. And by the way, I've just checked that the impeller condition is actually quite good. I got a feeling that's definitely not the original impeller. Someone actually got into the unit before, and at some point, I don't know when, they might have replaced quite a bit of things and do some refurbish and on this motor. So well, the good news is I don't really care, but what I do care is how am I gonna be able to fit that into all three things. Doesn't seem to be that easy to have that short impeller tube, stick it right into the impeller there, not the impeller, the pump housing, I should say. So definitely no easy task. So I want to show you how crazy this fitting is going to be doing it. You see the water pipe is the one over there, and all the way inside, that is the axle. I have to get that into that little hole there. This is gonna be interesting. It's gonna take some really long time and love. All right, guys. So this is no joke. It's taking me about 20 minutes. I'm kind of testing and doing everything to tuning around to try to get all three things aligned. That water tube. By the way, you can actually see it from here. It's well connected. Yeah, I hope I can see it. And then the nut here. And then the axle inside. Oh man, that is really tough. Just a lot of patience. Take a lot of time. I was kind of playing with it. At the same time, the only trick that I can share with you, my experience to how to get it in is after 20 minutes is I kind of have to push in the same time I turning around the propeller. I think the gear will actually have to match, bike into each other. So I was kind of like moving a little bit left and right and turning a little bit, click, just like that. So, woo! Now I know the axle is turning because I can turn this and I can see the flywheel there actually move. See that? If I turn the propeller. So I made a good connection there already. Now all I need to do, just have to put the screw back and the nut back and the clip back. And I'm gonna find some time to test this again. And I just put some more fuel into the carburetor from the fuel hole, injected quite a bit in it. So I'm gonna try to start this engine again and see if the pump is working or not. If it does, it just save me a lot of trouble and $40 to buy a new impeller there. Okay, ready to go. Water coming straight out from here. The impeller was good all along, actually. Based on the condition of that impeller, we checked it the other night, right? I think someone got into it, replaced it already. But I think the installation was wrong. They did not connect that pipe into the pump housing. So that's why there's no water coming out. But look at that. By the way, look at this. Wow, the exhaust just pump out a lot of dirty stuff out. Look at that. And wow, I'm glad actually that's working. That means it actually flushed some of the thing from the exhaust pipe or that whatever inside there. Wow, look at how dirty the water is. Just turn it to mud water just right away. Well, that's good though. Now we got that fixed. All I left is the tank and new fuel line. There we go. Good day. Okay, thank you for watching, and please leave me some comment. Let me know if you have more information, you have any other information about this little old Sears motor. And like and subscribe. I'll definitely post out more interesting video for you guys. Thank you.
Yeah, that one's a smell.
So smell.
So smell. Yeah.